Hello and good morning to all my dear students of Standard 6th. Welcome once again in today's science lecture. In today's video, you all will be writing lesson number 10, Force and Types of Force, revision number 2. I request all of you to sit with your notebook or a file sheet paper and start writing the questions. I also hope you all must have completed your revision number 1, that is lesson number 9 revision. Students, don't only write the questions and keep as it is. You are going to maintain all these revision number 1, 2 and the further revisions whatever your teacher is giving you, and you are going to start studying accordingly. The paper format will be again as an MCQ type questions, that is multiple choice question. So before exams there will be 2 more revisions given by your science teachers in an MCQ form. So please start studying and writing and maintaining this file sheet papers of revision for science. I hope you all are ready. Let's begin. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First one, a ball was set rolling on a large table. If its dash is to be changed, a dash will have to be applied on it. Second one, dash force was used when the farm was ploughed with tractor. Third one, the force of friction always acts dash the motion. Fourth one, the force applied with the help of muscles is called dash force. Students, here I have not given you any kind of options, but don't worry, during your exam paper, that is for your exam paper, options will be given to you. Question number 2, match the column. A and B columns are there. A column is the question column and B column is an answer column which is jumbled up. Okay, you have to find out, choose the correct option for question A. First, lifting a heavy iron objects with a crane. Second one, rubbing palms against each other. Third one, applying brakes to a bicycle. Fourth one, fruit on trees fall to the ground. B options are given as A, gravitational force, B, magnetic force, C, electrostatic force, and D, frictional force. Students, when you write this question, both A as well as the B column, that is the answers you have to write. Question number 3, name one force acting in the following examples. The first one is given, winnowing food grain. Second, an aeroplane flying in sky. Third one, squeezing sugarcane juice with a squeezer. Student, the question is as such, there are many forces acting on the examples given over here. For example, an aeroplane flying in sky, there are many types of forces which are acting, but here right now for revision you will write any one type of force which is acting on this particular examples given. I hope you have understood. Let's see the next one. Question number 4. Define. There are 3 given. First is gravitational force. Second one is mechanical force. Third one is electrostatic force. Now student, please pay attention over here. Now when you write define means definitions. Whatever answer I have given you as per the textbook definitions, you are supposed to write the same sentence without writing in your own words. You cannot change that sentence. Number 1. Number 2, I have also given examples along with the definitions. So all these 3 definitions, when you write in a revision, during revision time, you are also going to write examples along with it. I hope that thing is clear to you. Next question, difference between, or you can say it as distinguish between, it's one and the same. Only one I have given you, frictional force and gravitational force. Now you will tell me, miss, we don't have a frictional force. But in the textbook it is given as the force of friction and gravitational force. But I have only given as a frictional force. So the force of friction or frictional force is one and the same. So the answer what I gave you in the exercise, question answers will not change over here. You are supposed to write the same thing what is given in the notes. Next, question number 6. Answer briefly. What are the things that can be done by applying force? Question number 7. Give reason. First one. An object thrown upwards comes down after reaching a point. Second one. The ramp at a railway station has a rough surface. Student, you can write both these answers in a point wise if you want. You just see the way I have given you, follow the same thing. And there is one more rule of a give reason. This question, whichever is given, it should be repeated again in your answer. So, you can either start your answer with the question or you can end your answer with the question. So, see that you don't miss out any single line. Students, here I finish with revision number 2. I will be sending this revision number 2 in your assignment section in a PDF format. So if you are not able to copy during a video lecture, you can copy it from the PDF section also. Second thing, there is an activity given from lesson number 12, Simple Machine, which I will be sending it to you in the PDF form in your assignment section. So accordingly, please note down what the activity is given, and we teachers will be discussing in your live class also about these activities. So if you have any doubts, any query, you can ask your respective subject teacher. This is all for today. Thank you, students.